Daily 100 for ya. I gotta make this video fast. I can already feel the cold weather coming in. It was pretty nice earlier today. It was actually really nice. Here we are currently at the end of October. Who knows when this video will come out though. And it was high 60s. It's probably like low 60s right now. And I think this is going to be the last bit of warm weather that we have for a while. So I gotta make this video while I can. Somebody, I don't remember if it was on YouTube or on Reddit, or maybe it was on Instagram, but they thought I got rid of the R1, so we're making this video on the R1 to show that I still have it. I already passed my destination, but we're having too much fun here. I'll turn around here in a minute. Alright. Today, we are going to show you guys how to get fast food that's in a bag on a motorcycle. Alright, we're going to show you how to get fast food that's in a bag on a sport bike type motorcycle. You guys know sport bikes do have this thing in the back called a trunk, but all you can really fit in there is your wallet. Wallet and insurance. So if you don't have a backpack, this will be how you get fast food on a sport bike. And I'm gonna be stuck here for a minute. There we go, thank you. Now we have a car behind us. Hopefully they can turn the light. I tried making this video once before, but I got half of it done and my GoPro died. I didn't have enough charge in it. So this time we're a little better prepared. Oh yeah, I love this bike. Whew. It is getting chilly fast. I don't know if my food will be warm by the time I get home, but hey. But we will see. Yeah, I'll go in this way. On the R1 here, I do have this like flat piece right here, but that will not work for me because one's windy out, and two, you can't get your knees or anything up there high enough to brace it. So I'll show you guys how we do this here in a second. That undertail exhaust feels pretty good right now. Keeping me nice and toasty. Alright, we're gonna get our VIP parking again. Just like always. Maybe I should have put it in neutral. Alright, VIP parking engaged. We'll be right back. Ooh, doesn't she look so good? Alright guys, we got our food. You want to make sure it's rolled up nice and tight. Oops. Right up if I had my key. Alright. Put it on the tank for now. And then, once you straighten out your bars, you can tuck it in here. You're not gonna know how fast you're going. But it's okay. And you want to do this turn slowly here. Slow speed turns. It is a little chilly out, but luckily all my stuff just came out of the fryer. So it'll still be warm by the time I get home. And now that you're off, you don't have to worry about much. Because once you're going, you don't really turn the handlebars too much, so you can just stick it there, and it might get a little smashed, but that's what you gotta do if you don't have a backpack. I purposely didn't bring a backpack. Normally I would, but I'm doing this just to show you guys what you do in case you don't have a backpack. And having it behind the windscreen like that, it's mostly protected by the wind. We have a little bit of a side wind right here. I don't know what this person is doing. I think I might have been in second there. But that's pretty much it, you guys. You can hold it right here if you want, and clutchless shift if you're going fast. Yeah, it's perfectly stable. You just can't see how fast you're going. Man, this wind is getting bad. I think we're almost there though. Anyway guys, that's pretty much all I got for you. This is how you get fast food in a bag on a sport bike if you do not have a backpack. The best way is just bring a backpack, put it in there. But if you don't have one, this is how you do it. So if you guys liked today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.